This is a circuit I made out of curiosity to see if we will increase the voltage at this point. We can see the LEDs glowing up one by one. This whole circuit is developed using BC547 transistor. These are 6 transistors. These 3 transistors are used to make these LEDs glow. These 3 are independent circuits. So the collector of this transistor is connected to positive supply, and this one also is connected to positive supply, and collector of this transistor is also connected to positive supply. Okay, and emitter is connected to negative supply through LED and this 1K resistor. The same thing we have done here and in this circuit too. Okay, now the base of each transistor, 1, 2 and 3, these 3 transistors, is connected to another transistor. This one is also BC547, but we are using this in a reverse bias mode. So from emitter side we are connected it to a positive supply. This one is a 470 ohms resistor, and it is connected through 1M potentiometer. This pin number 1 is connected to positive, and the middle pin we are using to get the positive back. Okay, and now this series of resistor are used. This one, the very first one is 470 ohms, and the second one is 100k ohms resistor, and the third one is 470k ohms resistor. Okay, and this one is the 10M resistor, and it is connected to ground. Okay, and this
100K
resistor is also connected to ground through a 10M resistor. Now here this 470 ohm resistor is connected to emitter of BC547 transistor, and this 100K is connected to another BC547. Okay, it is connected to emitter of this transistor, and this 470K resistor is connected to emitter of this BC547. Yeah, and the collector of each BC547 is connected to base of these 3 transistors. Okay, so this circuit is as simple as nothing. Okay, now we will see how it works. I made this circuit just out of curiosity to see can we use this BC547 in a reverse bias mode for some purpose. So my purpose was to use BC547 in a reverse bias mode in a result oriented manner. Okay, and you know, in a reverse bias mode it leaks current after a certain voltage. So I used that property only to make this a circuit. Okay, now I will increase voltage here. Okay, by increasing current, we will increase voltage at this point. So we are going to increase the current in this circuit. See, it's going up. Voltage is going up. See, here in this multimeter, voltage is going up. 9, 10, 11, and at 14 or something, 14 point. Just see this at 14 volt or 14.35 volt. The first LED has come up at 14.15 volt, and as we increase the current further, the voltage will increase at this point. See, at 14.58 the second LED has come up, and now we further increase the current, and you see at 15.30 the third LED is also turned on. So this is a very precise voltage level indicator, we can say. See, at 15.32 all the three LEDs are glowing. Now we'll decrease the current in circuit. This at 14.69 two LEDs are glowing, and we'll further decrease the current. Voltage will go down. At this point it is 14.25 and only one LED is glowing, and we'll further decrease the current, and by reducing the current we can see the voltage at this point is 13.77, and not a single LED is glowing at this point. So this is a very precise voltage level indicator at a certain point. So this circuit is just out of curiosity to know, can we use BC547 in this manner? I think I am successful here in my effort to make a voltage level indicator. This is just out of curiosity. Hope you like this small piece of work from my side. So for more such circuits, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more such circuits for you. So that's all for today for a curious circuit, and meet you soon with a new project. So take care till then. See you. Bye bye.